రాజమౌళి గారు రాజమౌళి గారు
పర్టికులర్గా అల్లూరి సీతారామరాజు క్యారెక్టర్కి రామ్ చరణ్ గారు, కొమరం భీమ్ క్యారెక్టర్కి ఎన్టీఆర్ గారిని పర్టికులర్గా ఈ క్యారెక్టర్స్కి వాళ్ళని అనుకోవడానికి రీజన్ ఏంటంటే అల్లూరి సీతారామరాజుగా చరణ్, ఎన్టీఆర్ కొమరం భీమ్గా అనుకోవడానికి రీజన్ ఏంటి సార్? అంటే వాళ్ళ బాడీ లాంగ్వేజ్ అలా ఏమన్నా సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకున్నారు?
అంటే మళ్ళీ అదే చెప్తున్నా అండి, అల్లూరి సీతారామరాజుగా కొమరం భీమ్గా మీరు చూసిన క్యారెక్టర్స్ కాదండి, నేను రాసుకున్న క్యారెక్టర్స్లో వాళ్ళ ఉన్న క్యారెక్టర్ ఫ్లోలో వాళ్ళ బాడీ లాంగ్వేజ్ కానీ వాళ్ళ పర్ఫామ్ చేసే విధానం కానీ నేను రాసుకున్న క్యారెక్టర్లో దానికి వాళ్ళిద్దరూ సూట్ అవుతారు కాబట్టి అలా సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకున్నాను.
So your next movie, his next movie is called RRR with two big superstars in Telugu. So is that also going to be a pan-Indian movie? How are you?
It is a pan-Indian film,
okay.
because the nature of stories is
it's again
like
a
that.
Fantasy movie.
Don't ask me more questions on RRR. But it's going to be a pan-Indian film, yes.
Is it going to be in that bigger scale as Bahubali, or I mean, we should slide in questions, right? So is it going to be at a large scale, or
It will be a large scale movie, yes.
okay? So because we are sitting in Harvard, and I'm sure there are a lot of students from the business school too here, and there have been a lot of conversations happening on startups. So as a movie maker, for the people who run their own companies or startups, what do you think is the lesson that they should take from the film industry? That are things just not in your control, or are things in your is planning a huge part of it?
Yes, planning is a very, very huge part of it. And there will be many things which will go out of control. But one thing that you can't let go out of control is your conviction and is your confidence. That is the one thing which you really have in your hand. And all other things come from the outside world. And if you have your conviction and your confidence and your core team working, believing in your conviction, then you will find a way to overcome them. Sometimes you will be falling flat on your face,
But you have never had that experience?
We had many experiences.
Of your movies? Because I thought all of them were commercial hits.
Commercial hit is after the release of the movie, but
Yeah.
I'm talking during the
Okay.
making of the production. We faced many
Can you tell
issues.
us perhaps an example?
Okay, one of the biggest thing is when we were making Bahubali Part 1. I mean, it's a big hit. It's collected so many crores and all that. But at that time, it is a daring attempt. At that time, the biggest collection a Telugu film made was some 80 crores or something, and our budget at that point was 250 crores or something. And every rupee was important, and we were working on such tight scales and everything, and suddenly the federation called for a strike.
The movie federation?
The movie
in
federation,
Telugu.
yes,
Okay.
called for a strike, and the rule is that they have to give a 1 month heads up before they call a strike. They didn't, and we had so many artists, so many sets and everything lined up. Stopping our production at that part of time was next to impossible. So we started asking them that according to the rule you have to give us a 1 month notice. And I said, no, this is what we are going to do. We are holding our talks with the producers, so we can't shoot.